impact of 5 grams on the environment. The deployment of 5 grams networks will require significant amounts of energy, and it is important to ensure that this energy is generated from sustainable sources. In addition, the production and disposal of 5 grams devices and infrastructure could have significant environmental impacts, and efforts need to be made to minimize these impacts through the use of sustainable materials and responsible disposal practices. One potential application of 5 grams is in the field of healthcare. With its low latency and high bandwidth, 5 grams networks could enable remote consultations and surgeries, as well as real-time monitoring of patients. This could have significant implications for both developed and developing countries, where access to healthcare services is often limited. However, it is important to ensure that the deployment of 5 grams in healthcare is done in a way that protects patient privacy and security. Another potential application of 5 grams is in the field of transportation. With its ability to support a large number of connected devices, 5 grams networks could enable the deployment of connected and autonomous vehicles. This could have significant implications for road safety, traffic management, and energy efficiency. However, the deployment of 5 grams in transportation will require significant investments in infrastructure, and it is important to ensure that these investments are made in a way that benefits all users. Another important aspect of 5 grams is its potential to transform education. With 5 grams, students and teachers can collaborate and access educational resources in real time, regardless of their location. This could lead to more personalized and interactive learning experiences, as well as increased access to education in remote or underserved areas. However, it is important to ensure that the deployment of 5 grams in education is done in a way that is inclusive and accessible to all, regardless of socioeconomic status. In addition, 5 grams networks could enable the deployment of smart cities, where sensors and other connected devices are used to optimize energy consumption, improve public safety, and enhance transportation systems. This could lead to more sustainable and efficient urban environments, as well as improved quality of life for residents. However, the deployment of smart cities will require significant investments in infrastructure and technology, as well as careful consideration of privacy and security concerns. Another potential application of 5 grams is in the field of entertainment. With its ability to support high-quality video and immersive experiences, 5 grams networks could enable new forms of entertainment, such as virtual and augmented reality experiences. This could lead to new revenue streams for content creators and distributors, as well as more engaging and interactive experiences for consumers. However, the deployment of 5 grams in entertainment will require significant investments in content creation and distribution, as well as the development of new business models. Finally, it is important to consider the ethical implications of 5 grams. As with any new technology, 5 grams raises important ethical questions around privacy, security, and social impact. It is important to ensure that the deployment of 5 grams is done in a way that respects individual privacy and security, and that the technology is used in a way that benefits society as a whole. Another potential application of 5 grams is in the field of agriculture. With its ability to support a vast number of connected devices, 5 grams networks could enable precision agriculture, where farmers can monitor crop growth and health in real time, optimize irrigation, and reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers.